I'm meteorologist Carly Gomez with an update on your holiday travel and the storm systems headed our way. We do have a series of atmospheric rivers moving in for your Christmas week. Now, we are starting to see one that has passed through as of Saturday, but as we start moving into Sunday, we have a split scenario happening here. We have a storm system off the Pacific Northwest, just offshore there. Well, you do have an atmospheric river here that's kind of split in half. What we're expecting to see is the remaining showers moving in for Saturday night and into early Sunday morning. And that's pretty much the extent of that. Right behind it, we're going to get the tail end of that cold front from this low pressure system moving in Sunday night. Then we do have a break between storms. Right in between these two, we'll mostly get cloudy skies into your Monday, but by Tuesday, that is Christmas Eve, expect to see very heavy rain as well as mountain snow for your travel plans. Now, what we can anticipate for your Saturday night into Sunday is just some cloud coverage overhead, mostly misty over our area, but we are seeing a few still lingering scattered light showers into your Saturday night. Now, precipitation really so far since midnight as of Saturday, we are seeing anywhere from 2/100ths of an inch to 7/100ths of an inch in Stockton, up to that 1/10 of an inch mark in Sacramento, and up to almost 1/3 of an inch in Marysville, and you're seeing over that in Oroville. So really seeing the heaviest rain north of I-80 and continuing to see lighter rain further south. Now through tonight, some of that rain and those scattered showers along that front will continue shifting its way to the south. So Stockton, Modesto, San Joaquin Valley could pick up a little bit more rain through the night. What we're expecting here with our timeline, I want you to take a look at this. They're all color coded from green is good to yellow moderate and red bad. What we're going to look at here Sunday is moderate conditions, very similar to what you faced on Saturday. You're going to have, though, mostly evening showers and very, very light Sierra snow if you get an inch at all throughout the day. It's really going to be a night event Sunday, and then into Monday, we're really just going to have cloudy conditions. This will be your best travel day. If you're looking to still head wherever it is you need to go for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, you may want to consider Monday as your best day to head out. Now, Tuesday, we are going to see heavy rain starting off in the morning hours, even looking at potential for thunderstorm chances along that cold front, as we'll see some heavy downpours. Now, with that, sometimes that severe weather can cause even, I hate to say tornadoes, but yeah, we could potentially see at least funnel clouds associated with that, as well as thunderstorm chances. So I want you to keep an eye on that for Tuesday morning, especially if you have travel plans. Now, what we're going to see into our afternoon, evening, of course, is Sierra snow starting in the morning, but really starting to pile up in the afternoon, evening on your Tuesday. By Wednesday, Christmas, we're looking at calm conditions, partly sunny skies. After that, post-Christmas, we're back on it with those showers. Let's take a look at how this all breaks down timing-wise. As we get to 1 a.m. on Sunday, we're still getting a little bit more rain, that final little push of showers moving through from areas around Sacramento down to the southeast into our foothill spots. Calaveras County getting hit pretty hard with some Sierra snowfall from Truckee, South Lake Tahoe south to Kirkwood to Yosemite, a lot higher snowfall totals. We could see anywhere from maybe 1 to about 2 inches of snow. This isn't a big event as we move into the overnight early morning hours, but take a look at Sunday morning, 4:30 a.m. This is where some of the heavier rain begins to push through. From Sacramento east into our foothills up in the high Sierra, you're seeing the snow level way up high. I'm talking 6,500 to 7,000 feet. So this is a very high snow elevation. And we're going to continue to see heavy rain into those very early mornings. This is times most of you are still sleeping, 4:30 a.m. No one's waking up that early on a Sunday unless you had big holiday travel plans, but otherwise you may want to hold out until this passes because it will pass very quickly. By around 8 or 9 a.m., you are good to go and nothing will impact you as you head up toward the Sierra unless there are crashes, which you also want to watch out for as well. Most of your Sunday is actually looking really nice. We'll get cloudy skies overhead, some areas of fog, but otherwise decent. You can get more of that Christmas shopping done if you haven't done so yet. But as we get to the evening hours, around 8 p.m., another line of showers begins to arrive, heavy at times, from areas like Feather Falls to Grass Valley and Yuba City. And you're seeing it from Santa Rosa to San Rafael there, as we're going to continue to see those line of showers moving through Sunday night and passing right on through. Once that's done, Monday's actually really decent, partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies. We are seeing a few showers offshore, but that's not expected to impact us on Monday. Then this is what we're all waiting for and anticipating, that big event. Tuesday, Christmas Eve, the first sight of the line of showers arriving around 6:30 a.m. Notice how dark red spots we're seeing right there. This is the concern we're talking about when we say we may see some severe weather. That means thunderstorm chances, the potential for intense winds, and even funnel clouds. So you want to keep an eye on that as that starts moving through. If you do hear thunder and lightning and thunder roars, go indoors. That is that saying on purpose because it could be dangerous if you're outside when there are lightning strikes, of course. And as you see the line of showers making an impact across most of our valley spots, all the way to the foothills to the Bay Area in one solid line, this will impact a lot of people traveling early on Christmas Eve. So you really want to get ahead of it. As I mentioned, Monday, the best day to go. Now we're going to see the heavy rain continue, and I'm talking throughout the morning. And the highs here are also seeing these snow levels here, though, dropping because we got that cooler air coming in on Monday. That's going to allow for our elevation of snow to drop down as low as about 5,500 feet. And we are seeing the heavy rain and downpours continuing for our friends in the foothills into Calaveras County. I mean, Tuolumne County as well. It's looking pretty bad out there as we get to 9:30 a.m. on Tuesday, and that snow continues to pile up. Finally, as we get to the midday, we're going to see things get a little lighter, but we're still anticipating on and off shower chances. Now, as we move from Sunday toward Tuesday, we're going to expect maybe a quarter to a half inch of rain. But by the end of Tuesday, we could see these numbers as high as anywhere from 1 inch to nearly 3.5 inches of rainfall from Sunday through Tuesday. So again, a lot headed our way, and the bulk of it on Tuesday. Let's talk snowfall totals. Our global model here only showing as mentioned, 1 to 2 inches of snowfall for Sunday. Not a big deal. Then as we start moving toward Tuesday, this is just the 9 a.m. totals. So we're anticipating this to really begin adding up by the evening and overnight hours into Wednesday. We're going to be seeing anywhere upwards of about 8 to 11 inches of snowfall just into Tuesday morning. Then you may want to just add about another foot to that as we start getting into Tuesday late night to about midnight. You're looking at some of these totals moving in as high as almost 24 inches there. Bear Valley, Twin Bridges, Kirkwood. Again, expecting very high totals for ourselves on Tuesday. All right, let's talk now about our long range forecast. After we get through Christmas Eve, we're going to expect to see a lot more rain and showers on the way. I know it's not what everyone wants to hear right now, especially as it's holiday travel time, but just a reminder, we do need the rain and snow and the snowpack, especially for our water year. As we move into the drought season of the summer months, this is a time that we really need to accumulate the snowfall. As we get into the 26th, 9 a.m., here it comes again early in the morning. The rain arrives, the snow arrives, and then it kind of moves out. By Friday morning, you're decent. You're actually pretty good. It's not until about 3 p.m. we have some light shower chances, and snowfall begins to arrive by Friday afternoon, evening, with more shower chances potentially as we start moving into early Sunday, so Saturday night to Sunday morning again. So on and off shower chances once again post-Christmas. Looking into the foothills, the upper 50s to low 60s for the daytime highs for Sunday. We're going to see overnight lows a little warmer in the mid 40s to upper 40s because of all the cloud coverage. We're not seeing cold and clear skies, which typically will drop our temperatures to freezing point. Bay Area, if you're headed over there for your Sunday, mid to low 60s are expected. And again, overnight lows even warmer than those foothill spots into the low 50s there to mid 50s. And as we move into the valley, expect our daytime highs again to be right around those low 60s, 63 to 60 degrees there. And then upper 40s to low 50s could be expected for the overnight lows. We do have a weather impact alert day for you on Tuesday because of all the intense rain and snow and potential for thunderstorm chances Tuesday. It is a holiday travel day, one of the biggest of the year. And we do expect to see big impacts for that day, especially for your travel. Christmas, that is on Wednesday, as well as Hanukkah, falling on the same day. Thursday, shower chances arrive again. Friday and Saturday, we should be taking a break by Sunday afternoon, evening. And then taking a look at your New Year's Eve forecast, we can finally look at that. 55 degrees with overnight lows at 42.